Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to the channel. So, who do you have in the finals for car hockey in the 2023 second season? USA or Germany? Let me know who you think's gonna take it all in the comment section below of this video. And also, besides the finals starting today, soon, before or after something I have to do today, I'm going to do a quick unboxing as well. I'm not sure about the three other cars, if I'm going to open them or not, but this one I'm definitely going to open. I finally found that super fast truck. And the interesting thing is, this is an old Superfast mix from Matchbox. So yeah, that's kind of interesting. So glad I found this. I actually found two of them today. So yeah, before I open this, I thought I'd mention that I went to 4 stores today. This employee at Dollar Tree, not going to mention people's names, but she was nice enough to let me go through 4 e-cases. Unfortunately, they were pretty much opened already, so someone's probably already found the super by then, or they were just a bunch of dud cases, meaning no supers or treasure hunts whatsoever. So yeah. I found these at King Soopers, along with this one too, which is pretty much where I got any cars from today. I went to Target and 2 different King Soopers actually. My local one and a not so close local one, but still a local one. Not too far away from me. But yeah. The first King Soopers I went to had mixed 3 Matchbox cars, which was great. In fact, even above, there was another Power Grabs thing with the mixed 3 cars. Apparently, the Power Grabs, there will not be a Super Chase for some reason. Because I went through quite a few of them. I was hoping to find a Super Chase because there were 0 of the blue Mercedes-Benz Power Grabs at that King Superstore. So yeah. So let me know if I should open these, or if I should use these, possibly for my subscribers' choice race as, you know, like some sort of giveaway prize thing. Because, I really am trying to get people into the subscribers' choice race events, and I feel like the only way that's going to happen is if I do some special diecast cars or shout-out giveaway at the end, so yeah. With that out of the way, I'm going to open this. If you're seeing nothing, it's because I'm opening this right now. I'll be back shortly. Alright, so here's the C10 truck in black opened from the card. And there's the carry box for the car. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. The finals for toy car hockey, those are the 2 teams right there. And then the open truck and the 3 other cars, which, like I said, I may or may not open or use for some giveaway thing at some point. Either subscribers' choice giveaway or some other giveaway, I'm just not sure. I may or may not open them. I might open them just because, you know, I like to have Power Grab versions of certain cars, or just keep them in the Power Grab thing because these are, you know, kind of a little bit more, I wouldn't say harder to find than just the base cards, but these are probably, you know, they're kind of easy to find for the Power Grabs, but if you don't have a King Soopers, I'm not sure where you're going to find these, so yeah. But I will say, these are easier to find than short cards, that's for sure. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed today's video. Bye everyone, thanks for watching, and I will see you at the car hockey finals live stream today. Either before or after this thing I have coming up soon today. Bye. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your week, everyone.